Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Coding Bootcamp Career Development Channel. I'm your online career coach, Ramon Smith, certified digital career strategist. And today I want to cover how to prospect for jobs and prospect for networking connections on LinkedIn. So I'm going to share my screen and we'll get right to it. Okay. So prospecting for jobs on LinkedIn and being able to network can be an effective strategy to advance our careers. Here's a step by step guide to help us do it. So, the first thing we need to do is optimize our profile. So, ensure that our LinkedIn profile is complete and professional. Use high quality profile pictures and compelling headlines, crafting concise, engaging summaries, and highlighting our skill sets and achievements and career goals. Add relevant work experience and education and skills. Um, One of the things I appreciate working on LinkedIn is definitely being able to optimize it and being able to customize it to fit the goals and the career that we're looking for. You're always looking to add the relevant skills that are needed for the role that you're going for, particularly if you're transitioning into the tech industry. Pardon me. Pardon me. Define your goals. Clearly define your career goals and the type of job or industry you're interested in. In this case, it's the tech industry. Identify target companies and locations where you'd like to work. So that would include, like, if you wanted to try to break into IBM, Facebook, Google, you target those companies. You would look for colleagues that work in those companies. You look for networking connections that work in those companies. You make the connection, and in many cases, you'll look for information interviews and be able to try to showcase your skill set with that person, as well as look for referrals. But we'll cover that. Connect with relevant contacts. Connect with professionals in your industry, including former colleagues, classmates, and people you meet at events or conferences. Customize your connection request with a brief and personalized message explaining who you are and what you want and why you want to connect. Join LinkedIn groups. So, joining and actively participating in LinkedIn groups related to your field and industry. Engage in discussions, share valuable insight, and connect with group members who share your interests. Joining LinkedIn groups is a valuable way to transition to getting into the domain of the career you're interested in, as well as meeting people that are doing what you want to do. And you're basically providing consultation with some of their projects, and that's how you get known. Follow companies. Follow the companies you're interested in working for and stay up to date on their news, job postings, and industry trends. Share valuable content. Regularly share articles, posts, and updated related to your field or industry. Position yourself as a thought leader by offering valuable insights and expertise. Try to do that once a week, if not once a month. Research and target job postings. So use LinkedIn search feature to find relevant job postings, save jobs that interest you, and set up job alerts for your preferred keywords and locations. Personalized connection requests. When reaching out to potential connections or recruiters, craft personalized messages explaining your interests and how you can add value. Engage in connections and engage with the connections. So, regularly interact with your connections by commenting on their posts, congratulating them on their achievements, and sending private messages when appropriate. Attend virtual events and webinars. Often hosts webinars and virtual events. Participate in these to learn from experts and to expand your network. Request recommendations. Request recommendations from former colleagues or supervisors to build credibility and trust with your potential employers. Be patient and persistent. Building a strong network and finding the right job can take time. Be patient and persistent with your efforts. Prepare for interviews. Once you start receiving interview invitations, prepare thoroughly by researching the company, practicing your interview skills, and tailoring your responses to the job requirement. Send thank you notes. After interviewing or networking meetings, send thank you notes, messages to express your gratitude and reinforce your interest in the opportunity. And then track your progress. Keep a record of your networking efforts, job application and responses, and adjust your strategy based on what's working and what is not working. So remember, building a strong LinkedIn presence and network takes time and effort. Consistency and genuine engagement will help you stand, pardon me, help you stand out and increase your chances of finding the right job through LinkedIn.